Okay, we got a crossing malfunction at the Sibley Road crossing in Riverview, Michigan. It's one of this NS's problem, Conrail's problem actually. As you can see, these two inner mass signals right here, these are owned by Conrail, and they are the ones that are flashing. That's the Flat Rock subdivision. The crossing signals on the Canadian National Flat Rock subdivision aren't flashing, so the train isn't on that track. And over here we have the Shoreline subdivision. And the backlights on these crossings are also not flashing, so there's not a problem here. And we actually have a northbound, which I believe is 11N, coming on the Conrail in a couple minutes here on Main 2. So if I stay here long enough, we're going to see how that turns out. But yeah. Okay, it is 5:14 p.m. now, about 10 minutes after I filmed that first video, and the crossing signals have fixed themselves, and the 11N is currently about 5 or so miles out. So hopefully these crossing signals don't malfunction again after the 11N comes through. So yeah, that's it.